Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So today we're going to be deep conditioning. We're going to review as well the Sunny Owl Jamaican Black Castor Oil Intensive Repair Max. Quite a mouthful. It says it's a damage reverser formula. It says it's infused with 100% pure Jamaican Black Castor Oil, wheat protein, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, lecithin oil, safflower seed oil and vitamin E. This has a thick creamy consistency. It smells okay. So I'm starting with freshly washed hair. I've just shampooed my hair and I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections like I always do. I'm going to be spraying my hair with water to make it more manageable. I deep condition on wet hair most of the time. So starting off on this section, I'm going to be applying the deep conditioner. On application, this it looks really thick and creamy. Kind of reminds me of a relaxer actually. It feels really nice going on. As you can see, the product is really thick and creamy. It says it's a damage reverse formula. It leaves the hair softer, healthier, fortified, hydrated, and it says it's damage free. This I got from my beauty supply and I think I got it for £6. This does not have the best slick though. I'm just spraying some water all over the hair just to give it a nice slick. I'm just going to continue to lightly finger detangle. My curls are coming through, guys. This section done. I like the way it feels on my hair. So there's the side that has not been deep conditioned, and this is the side that has been deep conditioned. This is the without and this is with. Curls are actually popping. I've done the other side, just sprinkling water all over. I really like how it looks, guys. It looks soft, it looks conditioned, it looks moisturized, and my curls are actually looking great. Right now I'm just parting my hair into 4 sections. I'm then gonna put my hair into a shower cap and then I'm gonna tie it down. I think I left my hair for about 2 hours or so, then I washed it off and this is what my hair is looking like. My hair feels so soft, it feels fluffy. My curls actually look great. I actually like this, not bad at all. Is it the best deep conditioner in the world? Not really, but I like it. It gives softness to the hair. My hair looks and feels conditioned and it feels really moisturized as well. So it is a winner for me. And this is the end of the video, guys. Click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks ever so much. Bye.